Here's the truth about AI in 2026. Almost everyone has tried Claude, and almost nobody uses it systematically. They type a question, get an answer, close the tab, and leave 90% of the value on the table. This video fixes that. I've boiled getting genuinely good with Claude down to 15 core skills. From your very first prompt to a complete automation system that runs your busy work for you. No coding, no jargon. Just a clear path start to finish. Let's build it. I'm Kingsley Aimufua, and this is Catalyst Grid, where we break down the systems that run everything. Today, a complete beginner-friendly roadmap to Claude Anthropic's AI assistant. We'll go through 15 skills in 4 phases. Phase 1, foundations, set up and prompt properly. Phase 2, everyday wins, the tasks you'll use daily. Phase 3, automate and build, where Claude starts doing real work for you. And Phase 4, scale and master, turning it into a system for you and your team. By the end, you'll know exactly what to learn, in what order, and what each skill actually gets you. Phase 1, foundations, skill 1, Claude fundamentals. Before anything fancy, set up your workspace properly. Learn where your chats live, how to start focused conversations, how to upload files, and how to turn on tools like web search. 10 minutes here saves you hours later because you stop fighting the tool and start using it. Skill 2, prompt engineering. This is the single highest leverage skill on the list. The fundamentals are simple. Be specific, give context, show an example of what good looks like. Ask Claude to work step by step, and tell it the format you want back. Vague in, vague out, specific in, and the quality jumps immediately. Anthropic even publishes a free prompting guide. I'll link it below. Phase 2, everyday wins. The 6 things you'll reach for constantly. Skill 3, document analysis. Drop in a report, contract, or PDF and ask for a summary, the key risks, or a plain English explanation. What took an hour of reading takes minutes. Skill 4, email and communication. Paste a messy thread and ask for a clear, professional reply. And give Claude your tone so it sounds like you, not a robot. Skill 5, research and reports. With web search on, Claude can pull current information and pull it together into a structured brief. Just remember to have it cite sources so you can verify. Skill 6, data analysis. Upload a spreadsheet and ask for the trends, a chart, or a cleaned up version. Claude can actually run code to crunch the numbers, not just guess at them. Skill 7, content creation. Blog posts, social captions, video scripts, first drafts. Claude is a tireless drafting partner. You steer, it types. Skill 8, meeting prep. Turn rough notes into a tight agenda before and messy notes into clear action items after. Never walk out of a meeting unsure who's doing what again. Phase 3, automate and build. This is where it stops being a chatbot and starts being a worker. Skill 9, task automation. Identify the repetitive thing you do every week, the weekly report, the status update, the data cleanup, and build a repeatable prompt or process so it takes minutes, not hours. Skill 10, Claude Artifacts. This one surprises people. Claude can build working interactive tools, a calculator, a tracker, a small web app that appear right beside your chat, and you can refine them just by talking. No coding required. It's the closest thing to describe an app and watch it appear. Skill 11, computer use. Claude's agentic tools can take real actions for you, working through a task in a browser or across your files step by step, instead of just telling you how. Powerful, so you stay in the loop and review what it does. Skill 12, workflow design. Now connect the dots. Chain these skills into your personal workflow, so a single request can research, draft, and format in one smooth pass. Phase 4, scale and master. From personal productivity to a system, bring Claude into how your team actually works. Shared projects, consistent prompts, and, on team plans, ways to tag Claude into group tools. One person saving an hour is nice. A whole team doing it is a different game. Skill 14, advanced prompting. Level up from single prompts to prompts that think. Give Claude a role, break big jobs into steps, ask it to check its own work, and save your best prompts as reusable templates. Skill 15, full workflow. Put it all together into your complete system. Your setup, your go-to prompts, your automations, and your team playbook. So Claude quietly handles the busy work while you focus on the work that actually needs you. Quick reality check, so this actually sticks. don't try to learn all 15 at once. Pick one skill this week. I'd start with prompt engineering because it makes every other skill better. And use it on something real from your actual job. Then add the next. The people who get fluent aren't the ones who watch the most videos. They're the ones who opened Claude and did the thing on a real task today. So there's the whole map. 15 skills, 4 phases, 1 system. You, running your work instead of drowning in it. If you want me to go deeper on any single skill, a full prompt engineering masterclass, or a build-along for artifacts, tell me in the comments and I'll make it next. And if this gave you a clear path, stick around for more knowledge. I'm Kingsley Aimufua. Now go open Claude and try skill 1. I'll see you in the next one.